Pandas. Pandas. Pandas, 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 pandas. Good morning, my pandas. Welcome to the stream. Thanks for joining, everybody. You guys ready to make some bamboo today? Good morning, everyone. Good morning, good morning. Hope everyone's doing well. Make sure you guys scalp that like button. Make sure you guys drop a GM in the chat. I'd love to know who's here, who's not. I'd love to know where you guys are from as well. Good morning, my pandas. Top left of your screen, you can see where we're at with our accounts. We're up 500 on each account. Let's see if we can increase that today. Come on, pandas. Huge move up early in the morning, 8:30 a.m. Big push up. I think it's the employment numbers. I don't know, pandas. Not sure exactly what's happening with the economy, but you know, you don't know till you know. You don't really have news until really next Monday. Or sorry, next Wednesday. Yep, next Wednesday. A big move up. Quick look at the daily chart. It's quite a strong move back up. We're up to 20 EMA now. We're on a trend line here. Also, second entry long on the 5,000 or 2,500 tick chart. I could try, but it's risky. It's definitely risky. If this is a trap, maybe. Currently trading range. Bubble trades, good morning. Robert. I mean, I guess it makes sense to give your first name and your last name to be exactly the same. I mean, easy to remember. How generous of your parents. What a wacky day yesterday. This was yesterday's trading. Just what a wacky day. Pure trading range, huh? Pretty much closed at the previous day's open. And if you're not good at trading with limit orders, you probably had a very hard time trading yesterday's price action. Market's about to open in 3 minutes. Have you heard of Matter Daddy? Have you guys ever heard of Matter Daddy? Spiking channel. Oh, you guys heard? You've heard of Matter Daddy? You're wild. You just heard of it straight up. Second entry long. It works out nicely. You already know it. You're no fun. You already know everything. You know all the tricks. Nothing can get by you. Pandas, are you guys ready for some serious scalping, pure price action trading? You're not going to get any more pure price action than you will on this channel. I'll tell you that right now. This is the most purest price action you're going to get on a 500 tick chart on the Nascraq pandas. You guys ready for some exhilaration today? Let's get it. Let's get it. Feels like I entered short here. Could blast off. I mean, we're in an uptrend. Market's about to open in 30 seconds here. It's a little far away from 20 EMA, which is a problem. Potentially hitting a resistance here, but the thing is, in the uptrend, breakouts typically go with the trend here. So this could be a decent trade here. It could be a decent trade. It does break out a little bit. The market's about to open 15 seconds. I don't want to hold a trade into the market open. I'm going to wait a little bit here, pandas. Got 10 seconds. Let's do a countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off. Alright. You have to hold that trade into the open. It does work out for you. Maybe a double top here. We shall see. Huge gap on the 5-minute chart. Boom. Right, that's how the 5-minute looks like right now. Just a big gap. Just gapping upwards. Big gap down here. That fills. Gap here. Now another gap here. I mean, it feels like the market's going to still go up. It feels like it still has some more juice to go up a little bit more. Just solid bull bars. So many bull bars. I'll take a second entry long here if we get it. Question is, are we going to get it like a basically micro double bottom here instead? It might be one of those trends you just have to jump in whenever you can. I'm patient. I mean, market just opened. We can be patient, right, pandas? Just a little bit. By the way, the 80% off is done now. Right now, it's a 71% off Apex evals. You think it wants to make a new high here. If we're gonna come up here, kind of might as well get that new high. You would think. You would think, pandas. If one would slightly think.
Target filled.
You would at least think. Second entry long, just a nice, strong signal bar. Basically the best kind of signal bar you can imagine here. The only difficult thing about this is trying to time that perfectly. You see I come in a little bit early actually on that. We're up 285 on each account, pandas. Wow, I did not expect news would move like that. Moved even more than PPI, yeah. And CPI. Incredible, right? CPI actually made the market like short circuit and just do nothing. Ricardo, good morning. Bill 7, welcome. Scalp that like button. Pure price action trading right here, pandas. Let's see if we can get another push down, right? Another leg down on the strong push down. You're thinking maybe spike in channel or maybe at least some follow through. We may not get it, but the good enough signal bar. I mean, that's an ugly looking signal bar. Truly. No quiero. No quiero. What can I say? Ooh, that's a good signal bar right there. Might as well wait for the second entry short, maybe? It's gonna go without me, huh? I'm okay waiting a little bit here. I'm okay waiting a little bit. Oh, I like that. I like that a lot. I like that a lot. I like that a lot. Maybe outside bar reversal. Ooh, it's an ugly signal bar, though. It's an ugly looking signal bar, though. Goodness gracious. All right. Oof. It's an ugly looking signal bar. I'm in it. I don't like it, but I'm in it. Ugh. Ends up being second entry long. It's taking me out here. Unfortunate. Unfortunate. It's an ugly. I took a bad signal bar. I mean, there's so many things that I could have relied on to not take that. I just saw the strong bear bar. I mean, I saw the super strong bear bar. I thought that we have some follow through, but no follow through. Amazing. When you have bear bars like this with no follow through, you gotta consider limit order market. The only reason why that can happen is with limit orders. So could be of the nature of today again, another limit order market. But we'll wait for it. We'll make our bamboo bag. Now that we're getting our feet wet, pandas. You know what I mean? Getting our feet wet a little bit here. I mean, I'm not selling this. If anything, I would buy with limit orders down here. It's a limit order market right now. It's converting into one. So I'm not really looking for breakouts here. We could come back to the bottom here, but I'm gonna sit on my pause a little bit. I mean, imagine just buying this bar. Big bear bar, just bought it up straight up. It's quite incredible, actually. Maybe better off reversing that trade, but even that. Interesting. Okay. Okay. Trap trade here. It's one of the ugliest looking traps ever to exist. Limit order bears here. Again, look at the 2500. Strong bear bar ending on its low. Bought up with limit orders. Absolutely incredible. Still looks very bullish to me. Strong bull bar ending on its high. Let's see if the bears are also trading with limit orders. I'm curious. Doesn't seem like the bears are trading with limit orders. Maybe a teeny weeny little scalpy here. Okay. Bought up. Again, limit orders. Okay. Being bought up here with limit orders. I'll be very surprised if we don't shoot down a little bit here. Not very surprised, but I'm expecting this to go down a little bit. Right, another bear bar ending near its low. No follow through. How many times can I do that though? The answer to that, as many times as you want. As many times as the market wants. That's the answer. Um, not the easiest market to trade. Curious to see what the 5 minutes gonna look like. Strong bull bar, some follow through. Okay. It's incredible. That's actually like, that's mesmerizing. These strong bear bars with no follow through, strong bear bar, no follow, strong bear bar, no follow through, strong bear bar, no follow through. Pandas. Do you believe? Do you believe? I gotta jump on the train eventually. I gotta jump on the train, I think. Big push down. I mean, if we're in a limit order market, may have to buy like a limit order like this. Very cool. I mean, the limit order. I tried, pandas. I'm trying here.
Target fell.
Wow. All right. I try to get a little bit more. I got it right at the tip, pandas. Right at the tip. Oh, I'm glad I got out of that trade. Goodness gracious. I'll take it. Another push down. Absolutely incredible. Only need 1,000 to pass. Man, I just made 819 on the evals. Let's do the same with the funded account. Bill 7. That's what I want to see. That's what I want to hear, and that's what I'm looking forward to. You say the exact same thing once you get funded. Say, I'm done for today. Made so and so on the funded account. That's what I want to hear. Nothing makes me happier when pandas make money. Let me just tell you that. Nothing makes me happier when pandas eat their bamboo. When they get their bamboo. Truly, nothing makes me happier. Interesting. I mean, we had this channel here. It broke down. We're coming back into the channel here. The 5-minute chart showing itself to be quite choppy. Second entry short here. Doesn't quite trigger though. No, it triggers. We could try here. We can try. Outside bar reversal. Unfortunately, I don't like outside bar reversals. Comes back to retrace if you do like this trade still. You can enter anywhere here. Now that we're going beneath the entry here, it's a little bit sus in my opinion. Oh, okay. This whole thing's getting a little bit sus for me. Strong bull bar ending on its high. No follow through. Quite disgusting, actually. Oof. That triggers. Oof. Oof. How do you trade this, pandas? How do you genuinely trade this? I'm gonna buy. Wow. I don't know, pandas. This one's tough for me. Genuinely tough. Okay, it looks long. It looks long. It is long. That's hard. That's wild, right? 4 overlapping bars in a row right here. It feels, I mean, look at the 5-minute chart, pandas. It's just, oh. Look at the 5-minute chart. Can't you tell the price action by today? One, two, three. Potentially 4 overlapping bars in a row. But so yesterday was horrible because I managed to dig myself out of a $3,800 hole and quit when I got $60 on the plus. That swing is huge. That's a huge swing. I would be happy just breaking even as well. Goodness gracious. That's wild. Miracles still happen, pandas. Okay, pushing down. I mean, it's a limit order market, pandas. I gotta buy with a limit order somewhere. Bottom of the trading range on the trading range indicator. Is that good enough? Just buy the bottom of this strong bear bar ending on its low. How crazy is that, pandas? How actually crazy is that? I guess I gotta sell. I should sell up here as well. I'm gonna buy down here because the 5-minute is showing itself to have a trading range as well, and I'm basically buying at the bottom of the trading range. You can see the trading range indicator starting to develop the trading range here. Ooh, okay. Okay, high or low here. High or low. It's big risk. I hate that. I hate the big risk. The high or low here.
Five-minute trap.
Target.
I'll take it, pandas. I'll take it. I'm getting some bamboo today. Oh, 4 hundo. My mind is so set on like trading range days, just selling and buying limit orders now. I said this year's a year I'm going to learn how to trade with limit orders, how to trade trading ranges. I said this is the year. It was a slow start, but you know, old habits are hard to break. It's kind of hard to learn how to trade with limit orders. In general, it's more advanced to do. And really, I mean, the big questions I still have about trading limit orders is how much, I don't know, how much buffer and when to start. Other than feeling it out. Ooh, this feels like a choppy limit order market. I need some like more concrete definitions and metrics to measure when we are trading with limit orders. I mean, Al Brooks basically just says like when you see a lot of wicks, you know, a lot of overlapping bars, then that's kind of your sign. I don't know if there's actual, like, I don't know. It's hard to really make like a metric for it, in my opinion. Do pop up a little bit here. We're still in our limit order market. 2,500 tick. We could just be in I mean, this looks very bullish right now. Strong bull bar ending on its high on the 5-minute chart. Quick look, 5-minute chart, strong bull bar ending on its high. Are we in a limit order market? It can come right back down. Pops up here a little bit. Okay. I mean, is it just gonna run away now? Hmm. 2 can play this game, pandas. 2 can play this game. Watch this. 2 can play this game, pandas. 2 can play this game.
Target filled.
Little mini scalp there. Two can play this game, pandas. If you're gonna grind on me, I'll grind on you. You know what I mean, pandas? If you're gonna grind on me, I'll grind on you. 2 can play this game. Coming back to the 20 EMA. Pandas 2 can play this game. Bull bar ending on its high. A good signal bar bounce off the 20 EMA here. Two can play this game. Two can absolutely play this game. I should just be buying down here. Two can absolutely play this game. I mean, if you want to play, we can play. I should just be buying. I should be buying with limit orders here, Pans. What am I doing? Just buying anywhere, everywhere with limit orders to knock it back up. Should have bought there. If you want to grind on me, I'll grind on you. Could be always in long on the 5-minute chart. Gotta be careful here with the going short anywhere. I mean, you gotta recognize the market cycle. On the 5-minute chart, it's just bull bar after bull bar, ending near their high, where bull bar will follow through bull bar, and let's see if we have follow through here. You gotta recognize we could be always in long. Could happen. Is it probable? I don't know. We're so far away from the 20 EMA. I just find it hard to believe we're gonna just be always in long like right now. But who knows? I'll tell you this much: we keep making new highs. Like, I just want to buy here now, anywhere. I just want to buy almost anywhere, everywhere. It's so weird to want to buy here, but I'll buy. I mean, look at this, pandas. How do you trade this? I'm just trying to get in anywhere. I can't do it though. I don't know if it's even worth the probability versus the risk reward. Low probability, bad risk reward. It's not trades I like, pandas. It's not the setups I like. Low probability, bad risk reward. It's the worst type of trade. If you have low probability, you need really good risk reward. If you have really bad risk reward, you need super high probability. This right here, it just seems like low probability, bad risk reward. It's just not a good combination of things. Yet people are still buying it up. Maybe it's a high probability trade. That's why people are scalping so little, because it's such a high probability. I guess that's one way to figure out if it's high probability or not. Technically, these small rewards here means the probability is very, very high just to go long and make money. The fact that people are scalping so small here, it's like super high probability trade, apparently, according to the risk reward I'm seeing here. I don't know, pandas. I don't know how to trade this. This is super grindy. Grindmaster 3000. That's what this is. I can't even. This is just. This has its own channel here. It's like a spiking channel, basically. Never touches the 20 EMA. Just keeps grinding upwards. I mean, I guess I should just buy. I don't know. People are buying literally at the bottom of these bars and scalping out the top. I don't know. Should I just buy here? Down here? Bottom of the channel? People are buying at the bottom of the bar? Close of the bar? They're buying it up? I should join them, huh? I gotta stop thinking. I'm thinking too much, pandas. I'm thinking too much. That's the problem. Stop thinking when you trade. The more you think, the worse you'll become. I'm just gonna buy like here. I don't know. Somewhere near the bottom of this bar here. It can't even get there. Hot pandas, how do you trade this? I have no idea. I have no idea how to trade this, pandas. How do I get in? What are you guys doing? Are you guys making bamboo here? I guess technically, I just buy anywhere. Here? No. We gotta overshoot now. All right, you know what? Oh, I couldn't even move my trade because the channel was selected. But we are off of our 20 EMA. Maybe we can get a nice limit order here. It's a bounce off the 20 EMA. Gotta overshoot. Probably leading to undershoot. We'll see. I'm looking for 10 points. Is that too much to ask? It might be too much to ask. 10 points is a lot in this super choppy market.
Target.
I'll take it. I'll take it. Could have sweated less if I got into a better position there. We're getting bamboo though. I'll tell you that much, pandas. Still getting bamboo here. It's just now we gotta overshoot to an undershoot on the super small pullback bull trend here. I mean, we're in breakout mode on the 5-minute chart for sure. Always in long bull bars ending on their highs. Always in long right now, pandas. It's just hard for me to find entries here. Like, what? I gotta just buy the close of every bar. I mean, buy here? I don't know. Buy like near the bottom of the previous bar? This is scary. This is scary for me. Here, I buy here. Just buying near the bottom of the previous low? I don't know. Maybe I should have been patient. Just wait for the bottom of the channel. Touch the bottom of the channel. Could come up break even here. I should have. I actually don't like this trade at all. And if it is, and it's like, yeah. The overshoot to undershoot could have like signaled that we gotta stop doing this nonsense here. The overshoot to the undershoot kind of like says, hey, wake up. Wake up. We may be switching things up soon. Still strong move down. I mean, jeez. What in the world was that? Pandas, what in the world kind of price action is this? Do I just go long though? Am I still trying to go long? It's just a first entry here. We're underneath the 20 EMA, which is concerning. But such a strong uptrend. Any pullback at this point probably small. It's a really good looking setup for a failed second entry long. We could push down a little bit here. Pullback could be a little bit deep. It's a decent move down. WTF you doing? What's your price action reading? It's all bear bars. Strong pullback. Very strong pullback here. I could try to buy off the 20 MA here. But right now this is a break. This is like a breakdown. So I'm just gonna sit on my pause. I'm not trying to to go long here. If anything, maybe to go short. I would need a nothing's coming up though. Nothing's coming up for me. I got no entries here. I'm trapped out of this trade. If I get small pullback breaking the previous candle's high, maybe I'll try to go short. I need to break the previous candle's high. It's not happening. Inside bar instead. It may not give it to me. It doesn't give it to me. I got no entries here, pandas. It's just a flash crash right now. Flash crash. Right, this little overshoot to undershoot kind of giving us a warning what was going to happen. And I got no entries right now. Flash crash currently. It's our first pullback. I'm going to look for an entry to go short on this momentum here. I'm looking for one more leg down here because of how strong this move down was. Looking for one more leg down. Could be best maybe just to even look for a test of the 20 EMA here. It's such a strong move down. And if not, I'll enter here. Either way. Entered here. Small teeny risk for potential good reward here. Looking for new low. Second entry short forming here. I'll take the hit. Such a small risk. I'll take the hit. I'll take the hit here. Such a small risk. I'll take the hit for a decent reward here. I'll just take the hit. It's no problem for me. Like, we have really good reward here. Really good for that little teeny risk. Really good reward. Could create the second entry short here. Again, I don't mind losing this. It's such a small risk for such a big reward. I don't mind it. Right, looking for another test of the low here. It's such a strong push down. You're looking for another test here, and the risk is so small. I don't mind. Already get 10 points. Could get more. Starting to grind a little bit. It's not as strong as I thought it was going to be. This push down. It could take me out here. It could certainly take me out. It's okay. Against teeny risk here. I don't mind. I think it's worth the trade. Worth the risk reward. And that's the small risk here for this reward is worth it with the probability here. Strong push down, looking for another leg down. When will it happen? It might happen here. Who knows? Second entry short here, forming. Oof. Alright, lost that trade. It's all good. Again, all good. I will enter. I will try attempt again here. Second attempt. Looking for that new low here. I could go for double. But the risk is much bigger now. If this reverses on me, it reverses. It's all good. I'm looking for that new low still. I still think the risk reward is good here. It's a second entry short off the 20 EMA. That's all it is. And looking for a new low on this breakdown move. Looking for a new low here. It needs to test the low here, in my opinion. If it doesn't, it doesn't. We move on. Next trade. It hurts. It might reverse here. I mean, trap is setting up. Trap is certainly setting up here. Yeah, trap is certainly setting up. Push down. Can't get much further than that. Darn. I'm still waiting for a day where we just get a big push down and then some follow through. That's all I want, pandas. That's all I want. I'm still waiting for that day. When is it happening? Who knows? Trap does trigger. Easily can take me out here. Even though it's triggering beneath the 20 MA, so I'm not taking it to reverse, but man, I'll take another short here. If this triggers here, I'll take it. Enter double my position here. It's getting quite choppy actually right now as well in this trade. The risk here is less, But I'm going to go for the same reward here. I mean, we could look for more. We could try. This pushed down pretty hard, right? With a failed trap. Lower high, second entry short. But it is getting very choppy here. So whatever happens, happens. I'm happy with my trades. I like my trades here. I would go into the third, but I don't know the policy for Apex if I go with another position here. I'm gonna just hold on to this. I like this a lot now. It looks really good, especially if this triggers. We're golden here. At least I think we are. Making a new low. I don't know if I want another reversal. It's looking very choppy now. Like, very choppy. Like, I should have made the scalp here already, and this is getting very choppy. Like, way more choppy than I would like. Yeah. Way more choppy than I would like. That's a shame. That's an absolute shame. Just how ridiculous it is. Strong push down and no follow through on this breakdown here. It's just, I mean, there's nothing much you can do about that. You got to trade like according to what is likely going to happen. You got to break down like this. You're looking for one more test on the bottom. It doesn't happen. It doesn't happen. We got a second entry long on the 2500 tick chart. It could present itself to, you know, it could present itself a good opportunity here to go long, actually. It is what it is. Okay. Limit order buys here. Thinking of the higher low here. Thinking of that higher low. Now I want to sit on my pause. Got very choppy, unfortunately. Pandas, it is what it is. Paul C is the most salty person I've ever seen. Welcome to my trading journey. Mad that I'm selling a tool that counts legs. All right. It's been beneficial for many people. Ooh, yeah. I mean, that was an opportunity here, huh? Pull back, get bought with limit orders. It's just you're so disappointed when you see that. It's hard to enter, in my opinion. Jeez, I mean, that's just a shame. Super strong push down. You're like, all right, let's get one more leg down. Never happens. Never happens. Never get that second leg down. But I managed that trade as best as I could. I think I managed it well. Unfortunately, it doesn't work out, right? I mean, that's what trading is. That's what trading is. You gotta take your losses well, and you gotta trade according to what you think is gonna happen. It's quite a strong push up. Nice second entry long on the 2500. I'm like break even. This guy's super mad. Where'd my money go? This super strong bear leg here tricked me. I thought we were gonna get another push down. And so I started to bet towards that, and it didn't work out for me here. Trap trade to go long. Very, very confusing day. I don't think this is particularly easy. In my opinion. Like, very hard to enter anywhere here. Right? Not very often you think the market's gonna do something like this. And if you do think the market, if you did trade and make money here, then it's like, man, How often do you do that? How often do you lose when you do that? I don't know, pandas. I don't know if we're gonna get another test of this downtrend, or if we're gonna just retest the highs here. It's a little difficult for me to predict. It's very confusing. You know, Turtle Toes understands. I mean, when you see a move like this, you're like, all right, it makes sense to be like, let's trade towards the new low here. Let's try. I mean, might as well try because it's such a common thing to happen. It's more rare that you have a strong move like this and then no retest of the low, no follow through. It's actually, that's more rare. Hitting the top of this channel could be a channel here, but it feels like it wants another leg up here. It feels like it wants to go up here. Ooh, or not, or not, or not. Hard to say what's gonna happen here. I mean, your best bet is fail second entry long here, but we're still in this channel. It's a tough one. Or this channel could act as support now, and this could really chop you up. Situations like this could really chop you up. Situations like this. Second entry long ends up working out decently here. Interesting. This is tough. This is genuinely tough. Wow, that trap does trades. Ugly, ugly looking signal bar, but it does trigger that trap. The main problem here is that you got this trend line. Right? It's like a bear flag. But this flag is a little too big, right, for the pull. Going long here. I don't know if it's worth the hassle going long here, to be honest. It's a failed trap. It just looks very choppy. Feels very choppy. Very uncertain what's going to happen. I was up like 400 today. Like up 400-ish. Now I'm down 35 bucks. I mean, for me, it's just 2 scalps. I'm 2 scalps away coming back to where I was. I don't know, Panis. I could try here. It's ugly. I could try here, but it's ugly. It feels like it wants to push down now all of a sudden, but I'm gonna try. Let's see where this takes me. It's very choppy here. It's silly for me to enter long, in my opinion. It's a limit order market. Like, it makes sense for me to like buy with a short or buy down here with limit order, sell up here in this choppy market here. It makes more sense to do that at this point, in my opinion. I mean, it got so choppy. I can't. It's very hard to make a decision here. We're still kind of in this channel. Looks somewhat bullish to me, but also limit order market. You can see the limit orders all here throughout here. Can you be mad at someone selling a hammer and wondering why you can't build a house? Getting mad at Home Depot because they sell tools. You're mad at them because they promise you that you can build a house if you just buy the tools. Can you imagine? This is silly. Can you imagine that? Just how little awareness you have to be mad at something like that. It's quite delusional. It's hard to like respond to delusional people. It's very hard to respond to them. All right, what we got here, Pandas? It doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense. We're in a limit order market. It doesn't make sense for me to take this trade. I'm hoping for a breakout of some sort, I guess. Will we get it? Did I time it correctly? I have no idea. Probably not.
Target filled.
Probably did. Let's go. The main reason why I took that trade is the 2500 had a strong bull bar ending on its high. Also, the 5-minute had an inside bar, and I felt like it could go up, but I really don't know how high. And we're back to, we're back to green now again, Pandas. I mean, it's just that kind of day. Somebody says, what are you saying, Panda? So if you go up, you see Paul C's comment says, WTF you doing? What's your price action reading? Stop selling your S, man. I've seen you doing your stuff for 2 years occasionally. You're the kind of person I hate, making money from selling your indicator and YouTube income. You make me sick. You can't read the market for S. I'm out, you piece of lying S. I mean, when you get comments like that, and then they just disappear, it's just like, you can't respond to delusional people. Like I said, it's like being mad at Home Depot because they sell you tools and wondering why you can't build a house. You're mad at Home Depot because you can't build a house with a hammer. And I'm just like, all right. You can get mad at Home Depot for that, but you gotta be slightly delusional to think that because you buy a hammer, you can build a house. It takes a lot of practice. This tool, this indicator, literally just counts legs. Now, if you find that to be helpful or not, that's up to you. But it's like being mad at, I've never promised. I never even said this indicator. I never even said it. I'm still in the boat of saying the two-legged pullback really work. Did I delete the comment? No, I didn't. It's here. If you scroll up in the chat. It might have deleted for others because he cusses here. That's right. It takes studs to build a house. It takes bamboo. It takes pandas to get bamboo. tough day. I mean, this is a day where maybe I'll put my buys where my sells are. Like, it triggers here, but then I'll buy down here where I'll have my stop loss. If it triggers this, I'll buy down here. Might be one of those days. Triggers here. I'll put my stop loss down here typically in this situation. And you just buy where you typically get stopped out. It's not really a stop hunting day, in my opinion, though. I don't feel like the market's trying to stop hunt anyone. It's just grindy. I don't know. It's not really the market's like trying to stop hunt people. I don't think that's, from what I'm seeing with the price action, that's not really what I sense here. Really what I sense is just like, just very grindy movements in a certain direction, right? We're going long, but it's very grindy going long. And it's just hard to enter in this market. News was this morning, yes, 8:30. There was news. And it actually moved more than I thought it was going to move, to be honest. You have to be a madman just to buy right here on these kind of bars. You have to be a madman. You have to be a mad panda. We'll try again. We'll try this nonsense again, pandas. We'll just buy somewhere near the bottom of the previous candle's low. Halfway mark. Maybe I put it too low. I mean, you have to be a madman to just buy down here like this. I'm gonna make my it grinds all the way up. Let me try to jump in the grind. Boop. Takes me out. What am I supposed to do, pandas? I mean, I want to jump in the market. I want to get involved. This is wild. This price action is wild here. People buying a couple points beneath. Basically buy. I mean, if I kept my actual stop loss at 10, it would have been fine. But I don't want to risk too much on that trade. Higher low. Continue goes up, makes new highs. Why not? Why not, pandas? Why not? Blast off right now on the most grindy market in history. What in the world is this, pandas? I'm trying to get in long. I tried to do it here. Takes me up pretty much to the tick. Tick shots me and then blast off. Being too impatient, maybe. Technically, I should just be buying all over here. I should just be buying all over here, pandas. What do I do? Like another channel being built like this. A new high has been created. Are we done with highs? Are we done with going long? Maybe. After making that new high. Market's saying we're done now. And now that when I try to go long on the grind, it says, no way, Jose, you're too late, Panda. You're too late for that. Or am I? Or am I, Pandas? Or am I? Or am I? Pandas, or am I? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Where are you going? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I think I am. I am too late. Thought I had a chance here, Pandas. You know. Going with trend. Buying with limit orders. Offer channels. Going, you know, just trying to get back to the previous highs I've been doing every single other leg up. Just trying one time to get in there. Just jumping in. Just doing it. Without thinking. Just doing it without thinking, you know what I mean, Pandas? Ooh, I like that. I like that a lot. I think I like it a lot. Let's see. I could obviously protect my capital now. If I had to go through one more reversal, then I just take the second entry long instead. I guess that's a better entry. It's super choppy the moment you enter the trade. Let's make that new high now, Pandas. Come on, we can do it. Oh, pops up. I'm not sure if it's gonna give me more than that. Is that the final attempt up?
Target filled.
I'll take it. I'll take it. I don't know what I'm doing, Pandas. This market is actually crazy. You just gotta buy a limit order somewhere. That's the only way. Like, you can't even enter with that first entry. It's not even a very good trade. You gotta enter with limit orders. And how much do you risk? How much you're willing to risk on any other trade, I guess. I'm risking 10 points. That's $200 per trade. We're up 400 again. Second entry long forming here. Do I want the second entry long? I don't even know. Is it even a good setup right now? Who knows? Honestly, your better setups is buying with limit order still. That's your better setup at the moment. I'm a madman. Sometimes in a mad market, you yourself need to be mad. What if the trader is the one who's mad? More mad than the mad market. Pushing down. I mean, convention says I should just buy with a limit order here. Who cares what happens? It's just that kind of market today. You just buy with a limit order here. You should win. Oh, second entry long though. I don't know. I really don't like it. I really don't like this trade. I don't like it. I hate it, actually. I'll try though, whatever. I actually hate this trade, but... I can't. I mean, the market is just too ugly. It's creating a triangle right now. I just can't. I can't go in that second entry long. I just can't do it. Hmm. Cool. Very confusing. It's such a grindy market, pandas. I mean, it's an uptrend. It's a bull trend day today. How do I clean this up? How do I even chart this, pandas? I kind of like this, like up to here. Then like it's a new one from here to here. Strong bull bars. Very cool. Technically, I should just be buying. Gilbert Medina dropping the 5 gifted. I'm excited to hear his update. YL becoming a panda. Congrats. Nasir, congrats. UD Grim, congrats. Red, congrats. Zen, congrats. Good morning, BBM. Update on fast track trading. I trade 2 to 5. 2 to 25, 25k accounts. Made 7k in each in 10 days copy trading. I received my 1,500 max payout for each today. My bank account, they seem to be good. There we go. Fast track. We got a confirmation of an actual payout here. Maybe I'll try it. Maybe I'll try it, especially because the promo is done now for Apex. So, hey, it doesn't hurt to get another one. Fast track. Still don't like how they're .net. I mean, one payout is good. I mean, it's definitely a step in the right direction. I'll tell you that much. Soon this will collapse. If it does, my stop entry is short, so it's okay. It's very small. Stop loss. You get first entry off the 20 MA. I could try. I prefer the limit order, but it's hard to really snipe this entry here. It literally touches my entry and bounces off of it. I'll try. Got a micro double bottom here. Could be evidence we're gonna keep going up here. It's the first entry. 9 pushes up in a row. It's absolutely incredible.
10,000 tick trap.
Why not us? Why not today? I'm gonna just take it out on the next reversal. You know what I mean, Pandas? I'm gonna take it out on the next reversal of the previous candle's low. And we're gonna see how high we can go. How high can you fly? How high can you fly? I'm gonna just take it out on the next reversal. Pandas.
10,000 tick trap.
If you know what I mean. I'm just gonna put it at the previous candle's low. One tick beneath that. And we're gonna see how high this can fly. How high can you fly? How high can you fly? Alright, not very high. We're at 500 though. I'll take it. Nascraq doesn't have Ninja Trader. Ooh. I think you should try one while the 30% off sale is on. 30% off? That is nothing. That's very expensive. 50K account is $450? I gotta look this up. Maybe they can hook us up with an exclusive. I mean, maybe I could just buy with a limit order here. That's the kind of day we've been having. Apparently everything is just a limit order buy. Just buying with limit orders anywhere, everywhere. Why not? It's been happening all day, so why not? Why not give us another scalp here with a limit order trade?
Target filled.
I'll take it. Why not? It's been happening all day, so why not us? It's just limit order trading day today, Pandas. Look at this. I mean, that's incredible. It's actually incredible, Pandas. Actually incredible. Look at this price action. I mean, if you want to talk about pure price action trading, Pandas, this is it. This is the channel. Literally, we're just looking at the price action saying, hey, let's limit orders all the way up. Let's just buy with limit orders. We're going to jump in with the market. You can't get any more pure than that. This is like the purest price action trading you can really get. After a while, your luck runs out. I'm gonna set my pause here. I mean, this can keep going on forever for the rest of the day. Look at the 5-minute chart. Look how far away we are from the 20. I mean, we gapped up and really haven't gone down and just grinded up. This looks ugly, pandas. But the good news is, pandas, we're going the right direction, right? We just keep buying, 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 buying. I mean, we're going to keep doing it until the market says no. People are making money today. What would Al Brooks do? WWAB. Do we need WWAB bracelets? Selmo1 says, in my country, you have to work for 2 months to get 600 bamboos. Well, welcome to trading. Apex will make all your dreams come true. All right, Panis. Hey, we're done for today. I'll see you guys bright and early on Monday. I'm taking Fridays off for now. We'll join back on Fridays, probably maybe after Labor Day. We'll start coming back on Fridays. But right now, Pandas, we're taking breaks on Fridays going into the weekend. So, Pandas, remember, this is a journey. And every single day, you're going to get better. Just a little bit better. A little bit better than yesterday. A little bit better than last week. A little bit better than last month. And by the time you realize, you're going to be actually profitable. So, Pandas, I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow. And, yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying this more of like a more price action-y type trading where we're actually looking at the price action. We're considering the limit order. We're considering the market, right? The market cycle is a limit order market, stop order market. We're considering, these things, and we're taking small risks, good rewards here. And that's kind of like what we're trying to aim for now. And so hopefully you guys are enjoying it. But Pandas, if you have hate in your heart, let it out. Let it out and retaliate. All right, Pandas, I'll see you guys bright and early on Monday, 9:15 a.m. Eastern Time. Hope you guys enjoyed. Right now, code BBM to get 71% off Apex. The 80% off deal is gone. You may just have to wait probably till Labor Day until we get the next deal, but we'll see. Pandas, with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the content. Scalp that like button if you haven't already. And subscribe, hit that bell notification icon because they have shadow banned me into the shadow realm on YouTube. So no one gets notified when I start streaming. But Pandas, thanks for joining. Thanks for your support. I love you guys. Hope you guys have an amazing weekend. I'll see you guys on Monday. And as always, happy trading. God bless. Bye.